I think Downer offers everyone a lot of passion projects that they can be involved in. So I'm part of the Diversity and Inclusion Committee, which is just getting involved with other teams and discussing different things that we can do.
It's quite a good environment, it's quite flexible, especially I've just come off maternity leave last year. They were quite flexible in giving me part-time for a few months to return back to work, so I found that really beneficial.
It's a very supportive workplace to be a part of. Everyone has been fantastic to me right from the start.
Everyone is so nice with me. They teach me, they correct me, create solutions, the best solutions with me. It's a big thing, but I love it.
I like the work culture because it's a multicultural setup. What we have here, you get people from all over the world.
I think that Downer has a very inclusive and rewarding culture. It's a lot of fun to work here, but it's also very rewarding.
I'm recommending anyone to come and join work for Downer. It's a really good place to work.